Y'all should have threw it away when y'all had a chance.
Yeah.
Go first. Excuse me. Go first.
Hey, they want to wrap it first.
Y'all boys, so y'all ass.
Nigga like
Coming back hard with the same vibe that I used to take hard. Pull up on the niggas, I know more. I'm dropping knowledge on these young niggas, no toy. And the niggas still thugging when you're proud home. $100,000 watch. I can look at it. I get it from the streets, I don't want to be. I let my money back and moving like a cell.
Let's go.
All that smoking L on the paper trail. Can't you tell? I got clientele on my next tail. I don't need your help, got it on my hoe. This $1 million phone, I ain't got no ringtone. I am still AG13 of VC. Just driving my foot to you, bro. I swear, right? It's done. Young nigga, I got old gas starting on the edge. I got pump on my whole head. Got my leg man, pop a nigga like a if something on the head. I just bought new old jet. Smoking fucking, you a jackass. I won't run around your old boy like Monopoly. Oh boy, you a wrong boy. I just got to be fucking nigga. Call me reason, just get me what I do. Say like me, I'm just toned down. You falling off your feet. Fuck them on. I play. Call it. Goddamn, you the time to me. You the time to me. You can't smoke no black and lie with me. Get in the ground with me. You a funny guy. Don't you see me choke around feet? 5,000 feet man. Whatever this shit you got.
Hey, we at Bauhaus tonight like this here. We at Bauhaus tonight, let's go.
I just told the baby boss, oh my God, see. But I was fucking with the buses and I listen to you.